My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Jaguar F-Pace. This vehicle was done just under 59,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the car, we can see that the boot is electric. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our home screen we can access our key features, which are media, climate control, navigation and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as a keyless ignition. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a red and black leather interior, as well as panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.